Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Fahad bin Firdaus. My matric number is F1121. Today I will do the process of changing power switch. To begin with, the power switch needed to be disconnected from the power source to prevent any electrical shocks. As you can see here, this is the power source. You can call it DB. To disconnect the device, there is usually a label over here. But if there is none, you can start by closing the main power switch, then close all of these switch, then turn this back on, and then flip this switch one by one. Then you can see where does the electric doesn't connect, and if the electric doesn't connect to the place that the switch you want to switch, then you need to close that switch. Next, the power switch case is opened by unscrewing the case cover. After that, the screw holding the wire are checked for any remaining electrical charge by using testing tools. Moreover, the wire disconnected from the switch by unscrewing the screw holding the wire. And for notice, some wire maybe have the same color, so you need to label them. Furthermore, the switch is removed from its mounting once all of the wires are disconnected. Similarly, the new switch is installed by connecting all the wires to its label slot on the new switch. Following, the case cover is screwed back onto the switch cover. Finally, the power source is turned back on. Flip the switch to turn the power source back on. And that is the process of changing power switch.